Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Amazing Economic World. Today we are going to learn the numerical side. That is calculation of national product and GDP FC. This is from chapter national income. Okay, let's proceed. Suppose if you are doing a question like this, what we have to do first? We have to identify the items that we need for calculation of NNPMP and those items which need for the calculation of GDP FC. Okay, right. Then first of all we can calculate the GDP FC. Okay, what are the items necessary for calculating GDP FC? First of all we have to remember the formula for calculation of GDP FC. What is the formula for calculation of GDP FC? This is income method. How we can identify this is income method? By looking at the items. Okay. There is rent and interest, wages and salaries, undistributed profit, etc. All these are items comes in income method. Okay. So we can write the formula for a calculation of GDP FC by income method. Okay. GDP FC is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employees. Mixed income of self-employed. If you add all these items, you will get a NDPFC. That's all. Compensation of employees, operating surplus, mixed income of self-employment. Self-employed. Okay. But actually we have to find the GDPFC. So what we have to add to NDPFC to get GDPFC? That is depreciation. Depreciation is given or not in this item? Okay, we have to identify. Yes, it is given. Consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital. This is nothing but a depreciation. Okay, right. Then we can write it here. Consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital. Okay, right. Give the amount. Give the amount. Compensation of employees. This compensation of employees, what are the items come in this compensation of employees? That is wages and salaries. Okay. Then social security contribution by employees or not employees. Instead of employees, if it is given employees, we don't consider that item. We have to consider only social security contribution by employees, not employees. Okay. Then what are items we needed? Wages and salaries. Social security contribution by employees. Okay. First we take this side. 1,800 plus social security contribution. What is the amount? 200. Okay, next operating surplus. What are the items included in operating surplus? We know that rent, interest, profit. Rent, interest, profit consists of this. Okay. Operating surplus consists of rent, interest, profit. Okay, give the items rent, interest, profit. Rent and interest is what is the amount? 6,000. Rent and interest, okay. Then profit. Profit is not given directly. So parts of profits are given. What are they? Undistributed profit, corporate tax, dividend. Okay, these are the parts of profit. So here remember one thing, that if the profit is not given directly, we have to take the parts of profit. Okay. Then undistributed profit 400 plus corporate tax 120. Then dividend 80. Dividend 80. Okay, right. So operating surplus over, run the interest profit. Okay. Then mixed income of self-employment, that's given directly. That item is given directly. Mixed income of self-employment, that is 1000. Okay. Then one more item we have to add. What is that? Depreciation. To get a GDP. Okay. Gross domestic product at the factory cost. What is the amount of depreciation? Consumption of fixed capital, that is 50. Okay. Now take this up. 1800 plus 200, 2000 plus here 6000 plus 400, 120, 520, 600. Okay, plus 1050. Add all these figures. 2000 plus 6000, 8000. Then here 600, 1050. 1650. So add this 8000, 1650. Okay. So 9650. 9650 rupees, 9650 crore. Okay. This is what a GDPFC. Okay. This is what a GDPFC. Okay, immediately we got the answer. That is GDPFC is rupees 9650 crore. Okay. One more thing we have to do here. What is that? To find a national product market price. How we can calculate it from GDPFC to this one? How we get the answer? So listen, this is GDPFC. GDPFC. How we can convert this GDPFC into national product or net national product market price? First of all, we have to convert this gross into net. How we can convert this gross into net? By subtracting depreciation, by deducting depreciation. Okay. So we have to deduct depreciation. There is NNP MP is equal to GDP FC minus, we have to deduct depreciation, that is consumption of fixed capital, depreciation. Then next one, what we have to do? This FC is to be converted into market price. How we can convert this factor cost into market price? By adding N80, net indirect tax. Okay. So N80 we have to add here. N80 means net indirect tax. What is net indirect tax? Indirect tax minus subsidies. Indirect tax minus subsidies. So we will get a net indirect tax. Then up to here we will get a NDPFC. This is nothing but a NDPFC. So we can directly convert this NDPFC into national income by adding NFI, net factor income from abroad. Okay. Here instead of net factor income from abroad, here we are given net factor income to abroad. So if net factor income to abroad means we have to deduct it. If there is net factor income from abroad means we have to add it. Okay, that's the difference. So here, since it is to abroad, we have to deduct it. Net factor income to abroad minus net factor income to abroad. So we will get a net national product to marketplace. Okay, give the amount. It is already got 9,650 minus depreciation. How much is the amount of depreciation? Consumption of fixed asset 50. Okay, 50 plus NIT. NIT is given directly. Net indirect tax 100. Okay, minus net factor income to abroad. I told you to abroad you have to deduct it, and from abroad we have to add. Net factor income to abroad is 70. Okay. Now deduct this one. 9,650 minus 50, 9,600 only minus, plus 100 minus 70. That is equal to, if you add 9,600 plus 100, you will get 9,700 minus 70. So answer, how much amount we will get if you deduct 70 from 9,700? 9,630. Okay. So therefore, the value of net national product in the marketplace is rupees 9,630 crore. Don't forget to put CR here. Okay, this answer 9,630. That is the value of a net national product at the marketplace. And with that, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you guys.